new subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily add new user to your MacOs system. So for doing this, you just need to open system preferences here and just go to users and groups. So just tap on it. Here you need to click the log to make changes. So now you need to enter your password from your user, from your current user. And now you can also tap on add button here. So here you can also add full name. So for example, Max account name. So you will see this account name here. Now you need to enter some password and verify. So just enter again this password. Here you can also write your password hint. If you forget your password, it will help you to remember it. And just tap on create user. So now here you can see that we create new user and just log again. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.